Hey everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how I put together this adorable snow globe. Now take notice of where the candy cane and peppermint stuff is, and you can shake it and everything moves around. It's so cool. I absolutely love this. So for this project you will need some water beads. They start off really tiny and it takes a while, so you would want to do this beforehand to get some of these water beads. You're going to need a Dollar Tree snow globe, and then some decorations to put inside. And you want to make sure they're not painted. You want to get some solid colors so it doesn't tarnish or anything. And some candy canes or whatever have you, and then some decorative ribbon for the side. Little things you can put on. So yeah, let's get started. So for starters, we just take off the bottom there, and this stays sealed really nicely. I didn't even have to glue this at all, and this was made a few weeks ago, so I just wanted to test it to make sure everything was okay, and then get that seal out and the piece of paper, and then we are going to start filling it up full of beads. And I'm not going to use any candy canes in this one, and it doesn't really matter where you put these because we can shake it around and it's all going to move. Throw in a peppermint or two. And I just got to grab some more beads here. And I'm even going to throw in a couple of these little peppermints. I'm going to keep it all red and white. Maybe a small one. And one more bead. Now you do want to leave some room for the water to go into. I'm just going to put a little bit more, and I think that'll do it. So I'm just going to go and fill the water up to the rim here where this thing would go into this rim. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a stir, get any bubbles out, and we're going to seal it up. So what do you think, guys? I'd love to read your comments on how you feel about this project. I absolutely had so much fun making it, and as you can see, this was all done in real time. It takes no time at all to put this together once the water beads are all put together. And yeah, it's so fun to shake around. The kids will love it, and it's made out of plastic. It's not glass. So yeah, and you can decorate it any way you want with anything you want. So hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.